Today I'm showing you how to make these super easy 2-ingredient banana oat cookies. Made with bananas and oats, these cookies are not only delicious, but also healthy, naturally sweet, and perfect for a quick snack or easy breakfast. But of course, you can add the mix-ins of your choice to switch things up. So if that sounds good to you, keep watching and let's get right into it. Start by mashing 4 ripe bananas in a bowl until smooth. Stir in 2 cups of rolled oats, and if you want some chocolate chips, you can throw in half a cup. Drop the batter by tablespoonfuls onto a greased or lined baking sheet and flatten lightly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the cookies are set and golden. Once cooled down, your cookies are ready to enjoy. These cookies are proof that simple ingredients can still come together to create something incredibly tasty. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, why not give this video a like, and if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.